getting footage and then selling it for like 30, 40 grand when they get a big incident to...
I'm aware of what's illegal, man, my rights don't fold. I can stand right here, sir, leave me alone. I'm just holding you accountable, it's all on my phone. You don't need to know my name, just know my rights don't fold. Don't fold, don't fold, don't Retro fold. J.
That is through the upper San Francisco. What's up, guys?
How's it going?
How are you, man?
Good, how are you?
Oh, not too bad.
Can I get your name and badge number, sir?
Yeah, you've already asked that every time you call me. Every time you see me, it's Gerber, 309.
Thank you for identifying.
Yeah, no problem. You want my business card too?
I'm good, man.
All right.
I'm gonna keep asking you though.
Okay, I don't care. As long as you guys, you know how I am. So just be cool. I'll be cool back. I got no issues. You guys being busy? Staying busy?
It depends on the night. If you
On
guys
the
are
night?
busy, we're busy.
Huh? Have you ever thought of being a, what were those called? There used to be a TV show on Netflix, and the guy that did it here that passed away, that they put the cross and dedicated part of the freeway. They're like in vehicles at night, and they go beat the media to calls for service to get, and then they sell their footage to the media to make money.
Oh, I've heard of them.
I can't even think of the name of what's the term they call it. Like, it's like a freelance reporter, but they had a specific name for it. They even made a show on Netflix about it, and those guys were getting footage and then selling it for like 30, 40 grand when they get a big incident and making a career out of it.
Shit.
Well, remember the guy that died on the freeway here?
I don't.
Was it a highway patrol?
No. He was a dude that did the freelance journalism.
Yeah, I'm not aware of that. I thought you were talking about a highway patrol.
Oh, no, I'm talking about the guys that do because you guys go film,
Yeah.
you go to calls for service and you film. If you get good footage and like say you beat KSBY or you beat CNN, you can end up making money by selling your footage.
Oh.
But I forgot what they called them. Like, I don't know why, it's on the tip of my tongue. It starts with an S, and I can't think of the name of it. There was a real cool one that used to have a black SUV. They had a full out computer system with all the police scanners and fire scanners.
Really?
And he would go to all the calls and all the everything. Like he got some good footage and sold some footage and made a money out of it and bought a vehicle that he drove around. Sucked he had to be on work every night and listen to his radio all the time, but I mean he was making money.
How did the police treat him while he
He
was
was
out there
cool.
filming?
He was cool.
He was cool, huh?
Yeah, he was always cool when I talked to him. They dedicated part of the freeway. He got into a car wreck right at the top of the Cuesta grade.
Oh,
And right as you go to the top and you start to come down a little
down,
bit,
yeah.
and they got a big old cross and a memorial site for him there.
really?
And then they dedicated part of the freeway to his name.
I'll have to check that out.
Yeah,
I wasn't aware of that.
yeah.
That's cool.
I could tell you the term off the top of my head, I would tell you, but I can't think of the term right now.
Wow.
But like I said, they made a Netflix show, and I think there was season 1 had 8 episodes in it. In season 5, the guys from Los Angeles that do it came up here for his funeral and did a whole thing on his funeral in the episode.
Oh, cool, man.
So, all right, guys.
Can I get your name?
Have a good one.
Gerber.
Gerber.
Yeah.
Oh, I remember Gerber. Oh, okay.
Have a good night, guys.
Take it easy, man. Gerber, that was Gerber.
Sergeant Gerber.
Sergeant Gerber. Take it easy, man.
Have a good one.
Yeah, guys, Sergeant Gerber. We're right here off the Grand. We're on 16th Street here. Did you do that?
Yeah.
We just made a illegal use.
I think. Look at him. Look at him. He got a call. All right, guys. I'm out.